Welcome back to Road Dog Crypto. We have got to talk about this opportunity that is laying before us with altcoins and Bitcoin. Now, this video is not so much as a market update as it is an overall view about what will be playing out over these next few weeks and how we can best take advantage of that to fill our bags with altcoins, get moon bags, and reap some profits with this next big move that is coming. But let's not get it twisted. You've got to do what you need to do during this period, because I do expect things to start coming back down around September through October. So let's go check out the chart room and get down to some brass tacks on this strategy. Road Dog Crypto. All right, very quickly running through Bitcoin now. Adam and Eve double bottom. We're currently in an upward trend with lower lows and higher highs. Not only that, we're on the verge of doing a daily close above this resistance level here of this pattern. Once we do that, once we can get a close above 23.5 and hold that, we're off to the races. Now look back, we got a bounce from Bitcoin here to the 615, bounced off of that very bullish sign, and now we're breaking out of the pattern. Now coming over to the weekly chart, we can see that we have broken back into this falling wedge pattern. I've been talking about the possibility of doing this for the past several months. It's much easier to see where Bitcoin is going when you look at the larger time frames than spending all your time trying to figure it out on the 15 and 7 minutes like you see a lot of people trying to do. We have broken back into this pattern, and when Bitcoin does that, we usually get a quick rise up to the top of this pattern, which brings us about to the 28,000, maybe even possibly some more. We have to look at it as we get there, but this is going to be superb for altcoins, and that's what we're going to talk about today. But quickly, let me go over the indicators and let you know why I am bullish. As we can see down here on the MACD on the weekly, we are getting ready to prepare for a cross. Now, this is a lagging indicator and it will take it a little while to do that. We do have a green dot on the market cipher that's been there for over a week. RSI is starting to take a bounce. We've crossed back over this line. When RSI crosses over this 30% line, that's a buy signal. This happened on the weekly. Going over to the daily, we can see that we got a green dot on market cipher. MACD is taking a turn for the upswing, and our RSI is sitting at 60, which is above 50. Bullish. We got room to move up on the RSI. So we are in a trend. Now, if you follow market cipher on down, you're going to see on the 12-hour green dot, 8-hour green dot, 6-hour green dot, 4-hour still got a green dot, getting ready to cool off a little bit. And that's why I'm making this video, because we're going to have a window of opportunity during a slight pullback to pick up some altcoins and do some amazing things with them. But before we get into that, first a word from our sponsor.
Hello, friends. Bobby Joe Rumblemaker right here telling you about the opportunity of a lifetime. Are you trying to find financial freedom by trading and investing in them there cryptocurrencies? But are you having a hard time being profitable and making them winning trades? Well, boy, oh boy, do I have some fantastic news for you today. For as little as a simple like and subscribe, you can be the proud owner of the crypto know-how to change your entire life for the better. Now, while them other YouTubers are out there trying to hook you in for $100 a month subscription fee to make them look like big old traders, while they're really just filling them pockets, well, you can get all that knowledge and a whole lot more just by watching the Crypto Chart School playlist over here at the Road Dog Crypto channel. You just go right down here where it says Chart School, you click that full playlist, and voila! They got all the knowledge right there, and they're adding to it every week. So if you want to be profitable, right there you can go. And it's all for a like and a subscribe. Now, I would say a lot more, but I really don't need to. You get all the answers you need over at the Road Dog. Happy trading, y'all. Happy trading.
All right, now look with me, guys. We have got this area right here. This is our line going up, and we have got some bullish divergence coming in on Bitcoin. This means that we're going to take a little leg down. It's going to be a retest. What we are looking for is Bitcoin to come back down to this range right around 22,800 in that area to retest this major trend line that is just broken out. Once it does that, we can expect it to start moving up from there, moving toward 25,000 on up to 28,000, possibly up to 30. We'll have to see when we get there. Now, if you've been following my channel for a little bit, you know over the past few weeks that I've been warming up toward altcoins. There was a point I was saying is definitely not the time, but since then, after we have got our bottom confirmed by the Pi cycle indicator and along with the other confirmations that I've mentioned that have pointed toward this being our bottom, if you've been adding altcoins to your position and got a bag going, this information is definitely for you. Or if you're going to accumulate some altcoins during a pullback, this is for you too. This is the perfect time to get in on the lows. Altcoins have the best chance to double their value over these next weeks. If they do, you can create so many moon bags, pulling out your profit when they 2x, and you have not lost anything and you have a free moon bag. That's a strategy that I'm going to be employing over these next few weeks. I've already done it with a few and I'm looking forward to doing it with a lot more that I have going on right now. Hopefully you can too. So either doing a moon bag strategy or making sure that you do take profits before we get our big, huge retracement during a dead cat bounce. Now, is it possible that Bitcoin could keep going? It is. And is it possible that we could take that bounce and come back down to 10,000? I don't think that will happen, but it is also always possible for that to happen. I do expect us to come back down to at least 18,000 though, before we take a leg up and start to get in on the next leg for the halvening. Now, regardless of what altcoins that you are looking into, we've got to keep up with the total 2 market cap. Now, this is all the altcoins excluding BTC, all right? And you can see we broke our trend. We're going up. This is on the weekly. We've had a weekly green dot for quite a while now. But look what happened today on the daily. We got the green dot go ahead there. Our RSI, like Bitcoin, is in a positive aspect. It's at 65, telling us that altcoin season is about to go on. Now, if you want to verify about altcoin season, you need to take a look at Bitcoin dominance. This is the other chart that you need to keep your eye on when it comes to altcoins. Now, if you follow me on this, we got rejected from this trend line here. We came up, we did another retest of this area, and we're dumping out of it and we're going lower. Now, if you want to look at it on a smaller time frame like the 4-hour here, get a better look. This is the little zone that I've got us in, and as soon as we break below this 42% level, we're headed down to the high 39.89. That area is the measure move. We will be getting a mini altcoin season, and that's why it's imperative for us to put things into action now and take advantage of that. All right, let's quickly look at Ethereum on the daily. Same thing going on with Bitcoin. We have this falling wedge on the greater pattern that we've broken back into. Measured move on Ethereum from right where it is taking us up to at least over $2,000. Now, I've got some other price targets to look at. As far as Ethereum goes, I even got as far as $3,335 on our 618 level. That is most likely where Ethereum is headed. Now, as I said before, all the altcoins are pretty much going to get a big influx of cash flow right now, but the ones that are really going to take off the most, if you want my opinion, are the ones that have a rounding type bottom that's been going on for the past few months and this falling wedge within that rounding bottom. Those are the best ones. That's the best patterns to look for. Now, you might also see some inverted head and shoulders. You kind of got something similar to that going on here. You might see that kind of pattern in some of your coins, but the thing to keep in mind, the ones that you're really trying to stack up on, this is a good time as we get a pullback, waiting for that Bitcoin retest. Now, this is crucial. We will be expecting a little bit of a retest and a little bit of a pullback from Bitcoin, and also with those altcoins. You have to wait for that pullback and try to get in at some of those lower prices. So I'm looking for Bitcoin to come back and start testing the 23,000 area. That's going to be our new base point for Bitcoins, around 22,000 to 23,000 area. So guys, hopefully you've been picking up what I've been putting down over the last few days and what I'm putting down on this video, gathering your altcoins together, getting your positions ready for this next leg up because it is coming. Just remember to always take profits. You will not go broke taking profits, but if you ride the roller coaster, you will, because that roller coaster goes down faster than it goes up. Wait for the pullback, get your positions ready. If you like the content, please give us a like and subscribe. Because one quick thing, if you don't feel comfortable charting these coins, feel free to leave some comments below. I will chart them for you. I'll give you my opinion on what I think is going on. And in the meantime, you can check out the videos over at the Chart School and learn for yourself, okay? My name is Lane, your Crypto Road Dog, signing out. Be blessed, be positive, and always remember, you've got this. Road Dog Crypto.